because of my call. They just came. They know that I'll just feed them, okay, a lot. Come on, come on. You see, these many are there. Come on, come on. Come on. Come on. Enjoy your feast, okay? Don't be scared. Come on. I'll just shook up the tree. Come on. Come on, come on. Have it. Come on. Have. Come on. Yeah. Other ducks are following them. Come on. Come on, come on. Yeah. Have it. Okay? Have it. Hey, do not fight. Do not fight. Easy. Easy. Just have it. No, why you are so rude to the other group, okay? Just have peacefully. Allow the others to eat, okay?